Well, I think we played more ODI cricket for sure after the last ICC T20 World Cup, and all these matches. So I think, if I'm not wrong, we won most of the games, and I think that definitely given us a lot of confidence to do well in ODI cricket, because our team has always done well whenever we played ODI cricket. We have now a lot of experience. This group played together for so many years, so I think the team roles, many things are clear. If I talk about batting order or bowling department, I think everybody knows their role very well. I think that is something which, as a captain, I always think that whoever is in the team, they should know their role. They should know when they are going to perform for the team. I think the clarity is there, and as a team, I think we have created so many magic moments for women's cricket that has definitely given us a lot of confidence to do well in ODI cricket also. एक तो आई थिंक पहले 5 फील्डर बाहर होते थे, अभी 4 हो गए हैं, और उसके बिना नाउ वी आर प्लेइंग इन बिगर स्टेडियम्स. लास्ट टाइम हम सीसीआई में खेले थे, बट अभी बिग स्टेडियम्स में खेल रहे हैं. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट आई थिंक दैट टाइम आल्सो स्टेडियम्स पर फैन बहुत आए थे. उन्होंने हमेशा, जैसे मैंने पहले मेंशन करा, एवरी टाइम दे हैव कम एंड सपोर्ट अस. So और उससे उसके बिना if I have to have now many time we have hit more than 300 runs on the board, जो पहले बहुत नॉर्मली नहीं होता था. अब वो बहुत few moments होते थे यहाँ पर team is hitting big scores on the board. So I think बहुत सारी changes तो है. Like if I start, I think रात निकल जाएगी, but I think in a short note, I think बहुत सारे positive है. That is something which is going to give us a lot of confidence now when we are going to play. Yeah, I mean, chance तो काफी ज़्यादा है, to be honest, because I'm not just saying because we are going to, we have advantage of playing home in home, but the amount of cricket we have played and the results we have got in last, a couple of years, I think that shows we have, a depth in our game, whether it's batting or bowling. We have, improved a lot of areas. So I think chances are there, but I think tomorrow is our first game. Our main focus is on tomorrow's game and setting the tone for us. That is something we are really looking forward. And hopefully, we'll keep playing our good cricket the way we have played in past 1.5 years. And hopefully, we'll not take any pressure. We'll keep enjoying the way we have enjoyed last time whenever we got the opportunity. And I think those things are important. And other just thinking too many things. But yeah, I mean, it's a very exciting tournament for us, and I just want all of us to stay in a very positive frame of mind where we can give our best. Sorry. Yeah.
Talk us about what she has been taught in the Indian team as a replacement.
Yeah.
She knows about Masama Stadium and the conditions here.
See, it's an advantage that we have one local girl who can help us with the conditions, as we haven't played much cricket here. But right now, I don't think it's the right time to reveal our playing 11. But in the last two practice matches, she has shown the caliber she has, and she batted beautifully in both the innings. She is someone who is equally important in our team. But yeah, I mean, she looks ready. If she get opportunity, I'm sure she will definitely give 100%. Look, I've been leading from so many years now, especially in the World Cups, in T20 World Cups. This is my first opportunity where I'm going to lead ODI side also. So I do have experience like how things work in, especially in ICC events. But yeah, I think it was one of my dream to lead my team in ODI World Cup. So I have got this opportunity, and I hope me and my team both give our best to to win this World Cup.
ফিজিকেল এডুকেশ্যন বিষয়ত ডিগ্ৰী পাঠ্যক্ৰমৰ কাৰণে অসম তথা উত্তৰ পূৰ্বাঞ্চলৰ প্ৰথমখন শিক্ষানুষ্ঠান অভিৰুচি ইনষ্টিটিউট অৱ ফিজিকেল এডুকেশ্যন। 2 বছৰীয়া ফিজিকেল এডুকেশ্যনৰ BPEd পাঠ্যক্ৰম আৰু 4 বছৰীয়া BPES পাঠ্যক্ৰমৰ বাবে নামভৰ্তি চলি আছে। বিতংকৈ জানিবৰ বাবে আজি যোগাযোগ কৰক। যোগাযোগৰ নম্বৰসমূহ হৈছে 9435100098, 7002233540, 88765210998, website www.aipguwahati.in